Namaste, welcome to Monday Bytes from Chitra Cars. Hope everyone are at good health. This is the continuation of the previous video on pushing electric vehicles or towing electric vehicles. And importantly, don't park your EV in the wrong side and no parking area where the police people will tow your car and go. So it's dangerous. So let's fasten our seatbelt for the video to go. When you are putting your car on standstill and you are pushing the car from behind or towing the back two-wheelers from a towing van, the heat is generated in the back wheels and it will damage the motor, the battery, and lot of cost will incur if that get damaged. The reason is when the heat is generated and the electricity is generated and it is not controlled, that will damage the entire battery system, the motor, etc. So make sure that the EV is sent on a flatbed towing van, then that damage will not happen. Number one. Number two, there are always chances that the electricity generated will spoil entire wiring, and it is clearly mentioned in all the EV manuals of the EV cars that never push your car, EV car, or tow a car with a towing van with the wheels behind on the road. So this is going to damage and it will be costing you a bomb. So make sure that you take this precaution whenever you are parking your car on wrong side or no parking area, because don't ask us, the police will tow it on a towing van and it will be damaging you. Happy driving, safe driving. Think of cars, think Chitra Cars. Thank you.